look at the bathroom. The bathroom is a tiling. That's what new today. The bathroom, see, I got the niche. So that's what new. Guys, the kitchen. The kitchen is in. So this is what's new in the basement apartment side. The kitchen is in. Guys, this is just gonna be a lovely, lovely home for someone. Nicely coming along. So guys, the fridge is gonna go there, and guys, you hear the plane outside. You can hear the plane. And the stove is gonna go here. The stove is gonna go here because you see the pot filler right there. You see the seasoning rock right there. And then like spoon and stuff. And right in the corner here is gonna be the dish washer. So here guys, and then this is gonna be the microwave. And then guys, I'm thinking if I should do crown molding along. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Yeah, so that's what's new in the basement right now. And the rooms are here finished. The rooms are finished, guys. Yeah, so the rooms are gonna get hardwood in the rooms. So that's, I haven't started yet, but soon it's gonna be starting. Yeah guys, so that's what new.